Ms. Cabe? Yes, ma'am.
Members of the board, I'm a mother of both a Harrod and a Meyerland student, and I'm an attorney. The last couple of weeks have, for the most of us, been a living nightmare. In our communities, we have found it hard to quantify the numbers of teachers, staff, and principals who were either forced to resign or are now facing termination. Their careers are in the files you are about to review and vote on. Everything that I know from practicing law in a corporate environment tells me you're going about this wrong. My minute does not grant me the opportunity to educate you. What I'd like to remind you is that you have power. You can stop this. We just need 5. 5 parents to look down from where they're seated and think, if this was their kid's school, they want to make certain that those resignations were not forcibly obtained. 5 professionals to act as the fiduciaries that they are tasked to be and call a stop to the action, if just to ensure that HISD is not leaving themselves open and its taxpayers open to a suit that could put us deeper in debt. Who will be our hero tonight? Because we certainly need one, and I know we are on the side of right.
Claire Robinson?